evening everyone and welcome to the Bodds. Thank you for joining us. Sorry Jibs, is the camera not finding you there? Tonight we're going to do one of the easy recipes I spoke about. It really is simple, it's healthy, and it takes you probably 10-15 minutes to prepare. So join us in the kitchen. Thank you for joining us. Remember to like this video, to share it, and to subscribe at the end. And keep watching all the way to the end. We'll show you what the finished product looks like. Thanks very much. Tonight we're going to be showing you one of the easy recipes that we've come up with. It's basically a kind of a stir fry without any carbs. So Jubes over there, my beautiful little girl, she's going to just show us the ingredients we're going to use to make this. You want to start, Jubes?
Okay. So we have got cheese.
Grated already, hey?
Grated already.
Yeah.
Onion, ready chopped. Butter. Then we've got our grated carrots, chopped up red cabbage and red cabbage, and our chopped pepper, and then we have our salt, garlic flakes, and crushed garlic.
Awesome. And what have we got happening on the stove, baby?
On the stove we have cooking bacon.
Yes. And a pot ready to get the other ingredients ready?
Yeah.
And we have got the oven going. So let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead. We're going to start getting this little meal prepared. You'll see how quick and how easy it is. So Julie, if you'll just bring me some butter, please.
Okay.
Right. You take probably just over a tablespoon. And pop that into the pot. The stove is on high heat. Julie, you'll fetch me the garlic flakes, please.
No.
Garlic flakes. And we go very, very, very generously with the garlic flakes because you can never have too much garlic.
Definitely.
Bring me the onion next, please, baby.
No problem.
Right, we've got the onion going now, so let's just take a spatula.
I'm just going to stand close
And we then get that going. You can hear it sizzling nicely.
I want to taste it.
Delicious. Right, next up. And we're going to put a little bit of salt in. I obviously don't like to cook with too much spices and too much salt. People can kind of do that on their own.
Yeah.
Right, so we just let that sizzle for a little bit more. Next up, you take a white or any kind of nice big oven dish. We've got this white one over here that we use quite a lot. And what you are going to do it's very hot by those. You're going to take this stir fry mixture that you've got and just pop it into the oven dish like that. Still nice and crispy, like we said. We don't like sloppy, baggy kind of veggies. We've then got, sorry my princess, we've then got some diced bacon. Now we've done this recipe a few times with pork sausages. If you like, boerewors works very well as well. I find I don't put too much salt in if I'm using bacon because bacon generally is a very salty meat. You kind of now mix it all together. So I'll show you that over there. That's what it looks like, all mixed together in an oven dish. You then take the cheese and you sprinkle it over the top. And you then, will you open the oven for me, Margie? Oh no, hang on, you can't because you can't look away.
Yeah.
I then open up the oven and you pop that in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. And we'll let you know when that's done and we take it out. Alright, so we've got that in the oven. We're going to leave it in there for another 2 or 3 minutes and we'll pull it out and we'll show you guys what it's like. See you just now. Right, and there we have it, the finished product. Jibs is giving us a little show there. We've got 4 bowls out. Like I said earlier, if you would like to, you can have it with a rye bread, something like that, but you really don't need it. You'll find it is quite filling and it is very, very tasty.
It is.
Very tasty. So that's it guys for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Let me just give you a quick recap of that. So what we use tonight is red cabbage, green cabbage, chopped up onion, garlic flakes, grated carrot, and a yellow pepper. We bought, like I said to you, we pre-chopped everything before we started. You can get the stuff ready made, ready cut, ready packed. It really doesn't take long. We take the butter into the pot, the onion and the garlic flakes, fry that up. We then add the cabbage in, we add the carrots in, we add everything all together. We give it a nice quick little sizzle. You don't want to leave it in for too long so it goes soggy. You then take your bacon that you've got pre-cooked, or if you're using pork sausages or boerewors or something like that, and you put it all together in a casserole dish, into the oven, 10 minutes, a bit of grated cheese on the top, take it out and you serve it. Thanks again for joining us on the Bodds. We will see you soon. Please don't forget
to like, share,